to start a raw vegan diet? Such a good question, isn't it? Especially in today's world where we have so many misconceptions about food and nutrition in general. Low fat, high carbs, 80 and 10. You probably feel lost in all of these terms. By the way, I'm Zhenya, and in August 2022, I went raw vegan. I was so excited, but I had no idea what to eat next day. I remember that like it was yesterday, me staying outside of a health store with a new blender, figuring out the ingredients for the smoothie. That day I did purchase hemp seeds. I was doing my journal about new products, making new recipes, looking for raw vegan books and all of this stuff. It's been a ride and such a good adventure that I probably will never forget. I bought a ticket in one direction, no turning back. So I embraced raw foods, learning day by day so hard. And after 2 years of intensive learning and practicing all the tips, I thought maybe it wasn't just about me. What if most new raw foodies experience the same as I did? I made up my mind to create a project that closes all the gaps and connects people around the raw vegan lifestyle, which is very raw. No matter what stage you're at, beginner, expert, content creator, or maybe holistic health coach who wants to reach more customers, my project offers solutions for everyone in this field. So the bottom line is, the simplest way to start a raw vegan lifestyle is to start learning from a person who thrives on this journey. Learn with me and my project Very Raw. On this channel you will find literally everything about raw foods and what I personally use in my real life. Podcasts, recipes, even raw food business opportunities, and much more. And note, all the videos are organized in very convenient playlists. Start your raw vegan journey and get your raw vegan roadmap, which is my original ebook that you will not find somewhere else. I wish I had all these resources in the very beginning when I started. Grab your gift right now. Plus, additionally, my secret bonus to you. I can bet you will be so surprised. Stick around and make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and don't forget, Very Raw.